Hi guys, I'm at 4215 Lee's Corner Road in Chantilly, Virginia, and I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough virtual tour for you guys of my new listing. I'm gonna show you the neighborhood. So the house is directly across the street from Brookfield Elementary School, so your kids can just walk across the street to school if they want. Baseball fields. Okay, I'm gonna take you inside. Okay, so you walk in, we've got hardwood floors here. Really open floor plan. Recessed lights. Let's look at the kitchen. Really open floor plan, lots of natural light. We're gonna go downstairs first. So this is 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. So again, recessed lighting. You gotta walk out here. Washer, dryer, and a full bath here. Mechanicals. And then there's a large bedroom down here, walk-in closet. Then you've got like a vanity. I'm gonna back up so you can see the whole room. Okay, now let's go upstairs. These carpets have all just been replaced. The whole house has been painted. New carpets here too. We've got, this is the upstairs largest bedroom, and it's got its own bath, full bath. Okay. And you've got another full bath here. Hall bath. Pedestal sink. Okay. And we have another bedroom here. And there's one more third bedroom right here, but this is filled with moving boxes, so I won't focus there. Now I'm gonna show you the awesome backyard. This is so nice. Brand new fence. Nice and flat. Perfect for playing, entertaining. Well, I hope you guys like it. We're listed at $499.9, and we've got showings booked all weekend long. You can call me if you'd like an in-person tour, and I hope you all have a great rest of your weekend. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Bye. You able to turn it off?